It's time to create your first class. You can create an Edpuzzle class or connect to an LMS. Let's start with a classic class. Enter the details of your class and select Classic for your class type. Is that easy? Now let's invite your students. From the Class Members tab, click on Invite Students. Simply share the link with your students and they can join your class. When students use the link, they'll be prompted to sign up for an Edpuzzle account or log into an existing account. Once they're signed up and logged in, they'll be added to your class. When students join your class, they'll be able to access any assignments. And you'll be able to track their progress in the gradebook.